Hello, hopefully you are having a good time. In today's video, we'll cover the Charlie Munger, the one of the greatest value investors of our times. Is need no introduction. So I go on to the riceanalytics.ca website, and if I noticed here, his portfolio is Daily Journal. That's what his portfolio name. If I search here, Daily Journal, right? Charlie Munger Daily Journal Corporation. So this portfolio is updated. So let's see what he has is in new portfolio, whether he's old or buy. So if I click on this one, so here you go. So here you can see the Charlie Munger. So basically his total portfolio value is $197 million, right? As of 5th 4th April 2021, and his quarterly return is 57.83%. One thing's to know here, as we were uh, most of the investors, and including me as well, I'm trying to get away that worry about the yields or buy those big quality stocks. So this is, I think, one of the portfolio which is very good in buy and hold, right? They do their very due diligence. That's what we learn from this super value investor like Charlie Munger or Warren Buffett or even Manish Pavarai. These three are really like in top of my list, and there are a few others as well. But look at their portfolio, especially Mr. Munger, right? He has only 4 stocks, what he keeps carrying uh, from his last 30th of June 2016. That time his portfolio value was $111.9 million. And now, just keeping with the and during that time there might be for sure many ups and downs, right? But he it's not like he didn't never lost it, but he lost in few places. But overall, as you can see, he made a lot of money, almost 100 million, right? Close to 100. He's going through $197 million. So his securities, if I go to the back and see, mostly it's only these 4 stocks, right? But recently, which surprises me, is that he bought Baba, right? Yes, you heard it right. He just bought Baba, and that's his top three uh, uh, top in number third place. The first place he just capped a Bank of America, BAC. The ticker name is second. Another is a bank, Wells Fargo. He's keeping that for a very long time. In general, mostly the bank does well. We are lucky, that we can able to see his portfolio during his official 13F filing, which these big hedge funds managed to is required to file. So his first weight is 45.15, the next is 31, and the Baba, which quite surprisingly, because I never see him investing in Chinese stocks, and recently the Baba is very low because and when he he buys for a very long term. So it's good to see whether he keep in this stock for a long time as well or not. Okay, so if I go to the to this stock, right? So see how this stocks work. So this stocks basically these are the top. If I go to this individual stocks ticker analysis, so this stock ticker is by these top 10 is capped by 10, but these are the top 10 weights. So this means Miju Securities has 89% holding in Baba, right? And this shows number of shares. There are some portfolio manager who sold as well. The main one is Bill and Melinda Gates and Trust. But overall, if I see right now, the Baba is trading at 240. So it seems like it's quite a big jump when it's a price drop at 223 at here this, and he bought this one, and then it pretty much maybe the many other, it's jump hugely huge from here. So that's what I like to share. So that's a very big news, especially when given the inflation, everybody is afraid, and still I didn't see any bonds or anything in his portfolio or any treasury tips, which is normally people invest in the. So it seems like he has a very strong opinion on that one. So that's pretty much on his portfolio. Feel to share his video, and yeah, there are many other here as well. If you want to check it out, and I'll keep posting the videos if I the value investor which I like it. So if you like it, yeah, let's put your comments which other investor portfolio or hedge fund managers you like, and let me know. So we'll go from there. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.